Martin Rowe, plumbing modifications. So, in the plant room, the first thing is we need 2 air vents on the main flow and return. Most importantly, on the return line, this is the return that the pump is on, we need put a T-piece in here and bring maybe a half-inch pipe with an air vent up here on the return, and then on the flow, which is this pipe, we go to the top of that outer one and put it there at the top where that elbow is. We can put a T-piece in. So that's the 2 air vents on the main flow and return to the heat pump. Sorry. Then just on each of the manifolds, go back around to each of the manifolds, and instead of having just one, I think there's one manifold with 2 automatic air vents, but let's put 2 on all of them. So we need 2 air vents there. Okay. Now next on the, I'd like to change this these valves, pump valves, to gate type valves, because they'll leak if we go at them. And one other thing that's not on the list at the moment, we might put just an isolation valve, a lever valve, on this flow to the heat pump. That way we can isolate the heat pump both sides of it, flow and return. We've no isolation on the flow, so that's a valve there. What? We do that when we go in, change circulation. Oh yeah, so then, the most importantly, flush points. So we need 2 inch to 3/4 T-pieces here, and then a little bit of 3/4 pipe and two valves sticking out here. Just separate them, bring one out here and one out this way, so that we can connect a flush point to it. And if we're flushing the system, we'd flush in one, we'd go in the flow, which is actually this one, but we need to shut off all the routes to all the manifolds. This one, the utility, and any other 3 manifolds, and shut off the flow out to the heat pump when we'd be flushing the area inside, and only leave a route to the area you're flushing. So you'd flush in here with a flush pump and a hose then out the door and waste it. So that's it on that.